It has come to my attention that some of y'all don't know how to use a steamer properly, so let me show you how to use one. First off, this is a handheld steamer. They do come in stand-up and handheld. I prefer a handheld. It's way more compact, and you can use it and put it away when you're not. First off, you want to remove the basin or water tank. This one just pops off like this, and you're going to fill it up here at the top. You want to make sure that you do not overfill your steamer. Add the basin or water tank back onto the steamer and plug it up. For this one, it blinks and then it stops blinking once it's ready. You can then pick which mode you need it to be on, whether it's low, medium, high. This one does have a button where you press it to release the steam. Do not, I repeat, do not steam your clothes while you are wearing them. Thank you. I did have to say that because I've seen some people on this app steam their clothes while they're on. The steam is extremely hot and you will burn yourself. See the steam rising. You want to take whatever piece of clothing that you're steaming, pull it out. When you pull it out, it straightens the fabric out so that you can steam out these wrinkles. Make sure that you're close to the fabric. You don't want to be all the way out here. That's not going to do nothing. You don't need to press into it too much. Just gently over it. If you do have stubborn wrinkles, you can steam from the inside. Do not get your face too close because you will burn your face. If you see any water spots show up, they will dry. This is another version of a handheld steamer. This one does not have different modes or a button that controls when the steam comes out. This one, once it's plugged in and it's heated up, the steam will just start coming out when it's ready. You just twist off the top and the water goes in there, and it has an indication on the front where it should be filled up to. If you do go beyond that line, it will start to bubble over and you will get those watermarks on your clothes. And just like that, we're all done. When you are steaming, make sure you're steaming hanging up, because if you try to steam flat, more of the water will come into this basin part before it is actually steam, and you'll get more water on your clothing or whatever you're trying to steam. I hope this helped you learn how to steam your clothes properly. And for more tips and tricks, be sure to follow me.